Hey guys, hope you are doing well and enjoying this small recovery, the small ones that we see on the crypto market. My name is Mike Dantlab from CorionX, and I'm bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems every day to keep you updated and educated about the fastest growing industry that we have ever seen since the internet, and this is cryptocurrency industry. So guys, smash those like, push the bell, notification, or subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, and also join our Telegram channel and definitely follow us on Twitter. You find all the links in the description. So I should state that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial or investment advice. So everything just for your education and for entertainment purposes only. And always do your own research, dig deeper, and make your decision based on your research, and also take responsibility for your decision. So guys, let's share my screen and let's go and see what's happening on our favorite bubble chart. You see few altcoins in red like Luna, Atom, Kusama, Rose, Phantom, but T-Fuel waves up 25% both, Omi 12%, Gala 10%, Helium up 11%, Theta 8%, Bora 7%, DCR 9, AMP 8, and basic attention token 8, and engine is also up. Yes, Bitcoin is up 1.2% in a day, traded just a little bit below 38,000 before waiting for the Fed meeting details that what's happening there. They will go faster in tapering, raising interest rate, or it will just a slower tapering. Ethereum is up 3.3%, traded around 2,600. So Ethereum looks pretty good, but we are not out of the water yet. Let's check our favorite indicator, the crypto fear and the greed index. You see that it is at 23. So still in the extreme fear, but the index was not in these highs for maybe several days now. So you see the index is flattened. It dipped at 10 on 8th of January and went as low as 11 several times in the past few days. And if we are looking back, the index was at 10 during the summer dump 4 or 5 times, and now we are mimicking this kind of fear bottoming out situation. And guys, when investors are getting so fearful, that provides always a good buying opportunity because assets are becoming cheaper and cheaper. And also there's a saying from Warren Buffett that be greedy when others are fearful and be fearful when others are greedy. So almost we see fear on the market and worry. So then we are DCAing for a long term. So let's go and check our first news. Bitcoin recovers from 7 months low of 33,000, and we have one important thing here. Okay. Also, Janet Yellen's plans for stimulus removal and higher interest rates policies, which has negatively impacted much tech-related companies in recent months. The Fed is currently buffeting the crypto market, says Martha Reeves, head of research at Bitcoin. The industry has been proliferating, and it's not surprising that investors are taking risk with their capital. Bitcoin versus new digital assets, so also non-fungible tokens and other coins that surging now. It makes sense to me for broad crypto to get hit hard. It's all about innovation, which should correlate with risky assets. So as crypto is one of the most innovative asset class, and these innovative asset classes are hit the most when the market is panicking and dipping. Let's go to our next news. BTC price hits 38,000 today as Bitcoin analysts focus on weekly close. Okay, Let's check this. Yes, you see that Bitcoin recovered really well, and now retesting the 38,000 resistance and the potential of 40,000 retest also in the cards. Let's check this. Target is 38,600, which, as you know, is coincidentally the key resistance on higher time frames, so almost 40,000. Okay. Oh, guys, this is a kind of cup and holder. Yeah, we should look into it if this is a cup and holder. Minimum price target there. Yes, looks good. Here is the 9,600 on the weekly. This is where bullish market structure broke down with a lower low. This the initial target of my current lows. It should theoretically be retested and resistance even if we are going down further. Never guaranteed. Dogecoin gains outshine major cryptos. Yeah, we will have a Dogecoin related news that Elon Musk tweeted, I will eat a happy meal on TV if McDonald's accept Dogecoin, but also McDonald's responded, and we will check that news. Next piece of news is IMF urges El Salvador to remove Bitcoin's status as legal tender. Okay, so let's check what they are saying. But Nayib Bukele responded, nope, I was wrong. Didn't miss it. El Salvador just bought 410 Bitcoin for only $15 million. So El Salvador always buying the dips. But the IMF is issuing a statement that raises risk of macroeconomic and financial stability as well as financial incredulity. So they think that Bitcoin is doing this, but more likely they fearing that Bitcoin is soaking the air from the US dollar because they cannot make more debt because Bitcoin is not a debt-based currency. Bitcoin is based on pure mathematics, and 21 million that ever will be printed. Okay. So also IMF states that national currency could be dire, including the risk of having domestic prices becoming highly unstable and assets being used contrary to anti-money laundering and combating the financial terrorism measures. So guys, yes, we can argue with this, but let's see. I suppose that El Salvador is doing a great job and will promote and will show to the world that without the debt-based system, a country still can rise. So let's go El Salvador. Popular Trader predicts one more Bitcoin dip before epic rally. Here is bottom target for BTC. Okay, Capo, you find this trader on Twitter under the name of Capo. And let's check what is he stating. Capo if believes that if Bitcoin consolidates below 30,000, the bull market is officially over. If it's consolidated below 30,000, it is over. Consolidation means clean high time frame, close below this level, or a break flip from support to resistance. Right now, I bet for a bounce from there after a week below 30,000. So he's betting this is the S&P 500, but I don't know when. And he sees Bitcoin doing almost the same, but I think this tweet was tweeted previously because Bitcoin went as low as 33,000 2 days ago. Should BTC follow script, a move below 30,000 puts Bitcoin in a position to rally the fresh highs. They just added a lot of supply on Bitcoin futures, sub 30,000 incoming, in my opinion. So he still expects that Bitcoin will be dumped to 30,000, and breaking below 30,000 will trigger this next bull run. Next piece of news is from Cathie Wood. Cathie Wood's ARK Invest predicts Bitcoin could exceed $1 million by 2013. The noted investor previously said that cryptocurrency would reach 500,000 US dollar by 2026. Cathie Wood argues that if 5% of institutional investors will no so if institutional investors will allocate just 5% into Bitcoin, that would lead the Bitcoin price going up to 50 and 60,000 US dollar. And now they have another argument. So ARK Investment Management, the firm led by star fund manager Cathie Wood, predicts that Bitcoin's price could exceed 1 million US dollar by 2030, as the cryptocurrency's global usage is still only its early days. So this is important, that we are still in the early days. Bitcoin's market capitalization still represents a fraction of global assets and is likely to scale as nation-states adopt as a legal tender, just like El Salvador, Tonga, and other countries. So Big IDs 2022 Outlook report, which was released on Tuesday. So come and check. Here's a short interview, and Cathie Wood says that central banks also will put Bitcoin into their balance sheets. Next piece of news is Bitcoin whales take advantage of market crash to gobble up millions on BTC. We already talked about that. Also, I shared on my Twitter feed that whales gobbles up traded Bitcoin. So they are soaking up Bitcoin, and also especially when Bitcoin dipped. There was a post from Capital 15C that stop panic selling your Bitcoin to this guy. He's been buying 2 to 18 million US dollar worth every few hours. Tradable BTC on the decline, and also there's a chart that Bitcoin illiquid supply not traded is at 14.5 million pieces. If those who hodl the 14.5 million Bitcoin would increase their holdings by 27% or 4 million BTC, there would be exactly 0 remaining coins available for sale. Keep doing and hodl. Law of supply and demand will prevail. And this is how Bitcoin price is going up and illiquid supply is going, so Bitcoin price is going down and illiquid supply is going up. This is how you buy 1 billion in Bitcoin from 0 in US dollar in November 2021 to over 1 billion now. When you panic sell your BTC, this is one of the guys buying it. So buy DC and hold the best advice for these fearful days, because whales are doing so. Orange built by Michael Saylor, Norseman trader CEO, now a Bitcoin supporter. Okay, let's get this news. What Sam Sven Henrik, CEO of market analyst firm Norseman Trader, made light of his change of heart, retweeting a GIF from Twitter account documenting Bitcoin. Excellent. How it started, how it's going. Bitcoin fixes nothing. Rip my mentions. Revolution. So great to see. Despite his previous comments that Bitcoin fixes nothing, Henrik has been following the crypto markets for 3 years. He tweeted regularly about Bitcoin price action, offering market analysis as reported by Cointelegraph. So now he changed his mind. Okay. So he had no intentions of buying in 2022. He's now a supporter of Bitcoin. That means we can expect Henrik to have an exposure in Bitcoin this coming year. Write pro-Bitcoin articles such as detailed and well research piece entitled Revolution, and even add laser eyes on his Twitter profile picture. So guys, check this laser eyes. And now he's saying excellent. So to fans of Bitcoin, I say this, one of you to those that are not, don't hate, appreciate. That's what makes market. Also, he tweeted this. So this is a nice surprise. So it seems that Michael Saylor was able to convince him and educate him. And now he is the alternative to an imposed monetary system. Bitcoin is such an alternative. So nice words. And we are going to convince everybody that from Michael Saylor. Okay, so he's a great marketer promoting Bitcoin to non-crypto people. Let's go to our next news. Metaverse layer 1 cryptocurrencies jump as Grayscale updates assets under consideration. Grayscale is considering into addition of 25 new digital assets to its list of potential investments. So Grayscale Trust, and they consider Algorand, Atom, X Infinity, Decred, Elrond, Engine, Phantom, Gala, Secret Network, Sand, STX, Watt, VeChain, and Yield Guild Games. Cool, sounds good, looks good. I think these coins rather to pump, and yeah. So if you don't hold any of these coins, then you should definitely DCA. It's not a financial advice, but if Grayscale will buying up for their trust and providing investments in those shares to their investors, that I think these coins definitely will pumping. But not a financial advice, guys. Do your own research. Next big news is Elon Musk tempts McDonald's to accept Dogecoin. McDonald's replies only if Tesla accepts Grimace coin, or what's this? Grimace coin. Okay. Tesla CEO Elon Musk says that he will eat a Happy Meal on television if McDonald's accept the meme cryptocurrency Dogecoin. However, McDonald's replied only if Tesla accepts Grimace coin. Musk's statement followed a tweet by McDonald's asking how crypto Twitter is doing. Okay, so yesterday that was a tweet from McDonald's that how crypto Twitter is doing. Elon Musk responded that I will eat a Happy Meal when you accept Dogecoin. And McDonald's replies with Grimace coin only if Tesla accept Grimace coin. I don't know if this Grimace coin exists. Let's check this if this Grimace coin exists or not. Grimace coin. Grimace coin. So no Grimace coin. There is no Grimace coin. Okay, so this is just a joke, but maybe they will create a Grimace coin and pumping it up. Okay, next piece of news is so this was the McDonald's news. And next piece of news is that YouTube CEO hints at NFT integration in letter to creators. So the CEO explained in a letter to creators that the video platform was interested in expanding its ecosystem to include NFTs. So this is huge. YouTube is owned by Google, and I'm definitely sure that also Google is looking into the NFTs, and especially YouTube want to give some tools to creators to make some money with these NFTs. And this is the OpenSea volume on Ethereum, and you see how high this volume, the monthly volume, also just higher than $3 billion the monthly volume. And guys, other celebrities like Tom Brady, Paris Hilton, Jimmy Fallon, Post Malone, and many others have also jumped on the bandwagon. Also, Twitter, Meta, formerly Facebook, they are coming in the NFT space. So this is a huge news, and it shows us that metaverses and NFTs still has huge space to grow. Okay, so this news about Ethereum creators launch Ethereum Instant Messenger block scan chat. So it is using Web3 technology, but isn't yet decentralized. So this is how it will work. Blockchain chat is a messaging platform for users to simple and instantly message each other wallet to wallet. So they will message from wallet to wallet, but these messages you cannot block or you cannot delete. Instant chat between wallets, use multi-device login, block addresses, notifications, and you cannot delete this. So sounds good. We'll see how the community will accept this. Yes, so after the YouTube CEO hints NFTs, also we got the news a few days ago that Facebook and Instagram on the verge of introducing over 1 billion users to the NFT space, and not just 1 billion, because Facebook has itself 1.9 million and Instagram 1 billion. So it's altogether, if there are all Instagram users has Facebook accounts, it's 3 billion users. 3 billion users. So correct it, please. Crypto to 3 billion. So that was a great news, guys. Definitely visit our farms. If you are holding ERC20 version of CorionX, just come and provide liquidity on Uniswap and farm for 330% APRs. We are looking into how you can unstake if you farmed in the previous batches. If you are holding a BSC version of CorionX, that you can provide liquidity on PancakeSwap and earning up to 120% APRs. So visit our farms. You find links in the description and also on our webpage. And guys, definitely come and also join our Telegram group. You find the link in the description, and you see that we are sharing our videos and crypto related news and also CorionX related things. So guys, hope you enjoyed. Hope you learned something. Let's go and check some charts. But before I'm doing this, let's go and check how Bitcoin chart is looking. And let's see what's happening out there. Okay. So Bitcoin is bouncing, and now Bitcoin is traded about 38,000 US dollar. You see, guys, we have this horizontal resistance 8,000. Bitcoin can close about 38,000 US dollar today. That would be a great sign of some strength. And also we see on the hourly chart that last hour we see some volume in. At the next level to one downward trending trend line that we are having from a while. It was one fake out before, so it is at almost 30,000 now. So let's watch this, if this can these 38 and 40,000 can turn to support. You see, all other altcoins are just pumping today. Bitcoin dominance went lower a little bit, but still at 40. And what are these huge volume candles here? What going on with this? I don't know why it's. Yes. So let's turn back. Okay, now much better. Yes, Bitcoin shorts. The Bitcoin shorts decreasing a little bit. So Bitcoin shorts decreasing from the lows. Good sign. And also let's check Ethereum. Ethereum is pumping really well, getting closer to 2,600. Let's check on the 1 hourly. We see that some nice volume came in Ethereum, and Ethereum just starting to recover those levels that Bitcoin already recovered. For Bitcoin is at 2,800. So for Ethereum is at 2,800. And you see a few other altcoins, Helium almost 20%, Gala up 20%, but still in those deep levels if we compare to previous highs. So almost came back, all the Fibonacci levels almost came back to zero. So guys, this is for today. For a long term, just adding and DCing some coins, I see a good opportunity. But for trading, we should wait to have clear direction and trend reversals. So thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Smash those likes and also share this video with your friends. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.